Here we have a Sherline model 4400 mini lathe. I'm going to power up the motor here just to show you that it does operate. So put the switch on, variable speed control. So the motor operates very well, as the speed controller. I'm just going to show you something here. On the give here, the threaded hull doesn't have the set screw on it. However, the cross slide does operate. Check the longitudinal slide, that also works. Right. Your tailstock, that also operates. Slides back and forth. Got 3-jaw chuck right here. That spins freely. So here's the plastic case right here for the drive. There was one of these little round tabs here. It broke off of here. Okay. There's a bracket and all the parts right here. As you see, this is what you will receive. There may be some parts or hardware missing. Some drill chuck, backing plate, drive belt. This unit has previously been assembled and then reassembled to ship back.